This is the tutorial for the CBW control panel. This is where you shut down the CBW. This is where you turn it on, and this button will give the electric power to start up the CBW. This is for the empty space. The chamber will continue washing with empty space, and this is the hole. The CBW will continue washing the product inside, but the product will not go to the next chamber. They will continue washing in the same place. This is the emergency stop button. This is for the alarm. When we got any problem, the light will start blinking, and when you finish fixing the problem, you press the yellow button and you will take the alarm out. Here you can see the CBW has 12 chamber. CBW2 has 8. Each product inside they will have different code number. That's how we identify the product. The last one is the press. Well, they will compress the product before they go to the dryers. This is the level of water. Here's press 1, shorter. Dryer 1, dryer 2, 3, and 4. Right now, dryer 4 is not responding. Mainly it's working on it. So every time you have a problem, you will have a red light. It won't show you the problem. Here right now is 5 cycles out of 8. When they get 8 cycles of 8, the product will come inside the CBW, and the last one will go to the press, and will continue so on the product moving forward to the next chamber, and then the product that is on top, it will come inside the CBW. Here on the right side in the corner, you have the transfer information. So how many number of transfer by period, the average of transfer between transfer, and the system, water use, all that kind of information you will have it here, all the percent. So right now the shuttle has a problem. So the operator for the CBW is gonna go up front and he will fix the problem, and the light will come out. So any problem that we have here, like in the press, if we have problem in the press, the window will come out red, and we'll let you know the problem. So the next item that will come on the CBW is mat number 15. So when that product comes inside, we'll push the product out to the press to the next chamber, and then the mat will come inside the CBW.